So welcome back everybody. I know I've got a lot of new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. It was my birthday on Sunday, so I ordered myself a little treat. So let's unbox it and have a look. Now I will say I do own this scent already, but I own the older bottle, so this is a newer one, and I've not opened it yet. As you can see, I've blocked all my address and everything out, but you know, it's not been opened. So this is my first impression of the new 100ml Creed bottles. I've never seen them before. I've never seen them in the shops before. I've never seen the new packaging. I don't know whether it's sealed now. I don't know anything about it. So we're going to open it up and let's have a look. Get that out there. You don't need that. Oh, okay, well, it's in a little bag thing. I don't know whether the sellers have put it in this bag or whether they come in this bag. I'm not entirely sure on that. I can't see Creed putting it in a bag like this, so I'm assuming that the sellers have put it in a bag like this. But as far as the packaging goes, it's not that different. I mean, the pattern on the front has gone now. It just looks like it's a patterned cardboard. Yeah, so let's open this little bag thing up and check the bottle out. So as you can see, I went for original Vetiver, and I went for original Vetiver for a few reasons. I really like Vetiver. As a lot of you already know, Oud and Vetiver are probably my two favourite notes. And I do use original Vetiver a lot. It's probably, I'd say, within a month I'll probably use it 80% of the time. So I do get through quite a lot of it. But, you know, hopefully this will last a bit longer than the last bottle. But anyway, so we open the top. So you still got the same stuff inside. I actually prefer this new layout because it looks like it's more manufactured. The other one, like the old style Creed boxes, it looked like it was handmade sort of thing, and it, you know, you could really mess it up very easily. You had to, you know, put everything back in the right way, or it didn't shut properly or anything like that. I think this is very much more processed, should we say. You know, this looks better. Well, that inside still looks the same, but still. Still got that one as well. The little history thing on there. Inside, I think that is probably a little bit better than the ones that were previously available. Here's the box out of the way. The bottle, yeah, I like the new bottle. I think the new bottles are the bigger bottles especially are a lot better than the 120ml ones. Because the 120ml ones are quite awkward in your hand, you know. This one, it feels a lot more fitted, shall we say. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. And, you know, Creed, like every manufacturer, has to move with the times, and this is just the new packaging, really. I think the caps are the same. I mean, the caps look the same. Oh god, that fits well. I always turn the sprayer this way because I like to hold it like that, because it's curved in your hand then, rather than, you know, trying to fight it. Shall I spray it? I'll spray it. Oh damn, That's a good spray. Oh. So yeah, the sprays are as good as ever. The bottle, I actually prefer it. It's actually wider than I thought it was going to be. When you see it in pictures and stuff, it looks a lot more taller than it is going to be wide. But I'd say in proportion, it's probably about as wide as the old 75ml bottles, maybe. I wouldn't say it's any less than that. I'd say it's about as wide as a 75ml bottle. But yeah, overall, I'm quite impressed with the new packaging. I know a lot of people were getting annoyed with, you know, like, oh, they're making the bottles smaller and everything. They're just making it more regulated. Everybody does usually 30, 50, 100. They're like the set sizes, really. It's just a lot more uniform, isn't it? So I think, you know, it's probably the right move for Creed to do that. And I don't think it really costs anymore. I don't know, really. I think price per mil is about the same, to be fair. If it's any more, it's not a lot. And it brings it in line with a lot of other houses as well. So you got like, you know, 50ml is 155, something like that. It's about 155 for 50ml, I believe. That kind of brings it in line with Tom Ford. So, you know, people are happy enough to pay out for 50ml of Tom Ford, but they're complaining about paying that for Creed. Okay. I don't know where they get that idea from. And 100ml of Creed is actually, I think, is actually cheaper than 100ml of Tom Ford. But as always, you can buy it. You can get Creed discounted. I mean, I didn't pay retail for this. I think I paid, I think it's about 150 quid for this. Which is not bad really, because this will last me a long time. Because I've still got probably about 20ml left in my old bottle as well. But it was a good bargain. I bought it. And I was just curious about it as well, because it was either between this one and Himalaya, because Himalaya is one of the Creeds that I do really like, but I don't own it. So I think I'll get that one next. But this one is an everyday Creed. I'm happy with it. I'm happy with the new design as well. I think the new bottles actually look better than the old ones as well. Got more up-to-date text on it. It's nice. Very nice. So anyway, this was just a quick unboxing. I'm not going to get into original Vetiver because I've actually done a video on it before. And the scent is exactly the same. I just sprayed it then and it smells no different. I've got a bit on my fingers and I can still smell it. It smells good. So yeah, just a quick unboxing so we can look at the new original Vetiver bottle and packaging. Yeah, I'll leave it there. Give me a follow on Instagram as well. If you're on Instagram, go and follow me on that, because I post a lot more stuff on there than I do on YouTube. So yeah, go and give me a follow on that and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.